Eating a grain-free diet can lower inflammation, lower pain, and help with depression, lower your blood sugar, all kinds of things. This may be good for you. Check this out. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, today I want to talk about eating a grain-free diet, which may change everything in your life. Help with inflammation, pain, depression, also, helps with IBS, blood sugar, on and on and on. It may be what you need. But before I get into that, if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Please tell other people. Please subscribe. 3/4 of you don't subscribe. I appreciate you subscribing. That means I'm moving in the right direction. Also, please watch those little ads at the beginning. That's the only way we make any money. And we appreciate that in general. And please tell other people to watch. We can get them healthy also. There's so many people now with gluten intolerance. I'm one of them. Also, people with celiac disease. That seems to be a growing big group. Also, people who just don't get along with grains in general or have some kind of inflammation going on because they are eating grains. And I really feel that about 30 to 40% of the people don't get along with eating grains in general. And also, not eating grains can really help with weight loss, which is a big deal. We need that for sure. Also, not eating grains can help with lowering your blood sugar, help with depression, IBS, also digestive problems. If you have, digestive problems, you might want to try stop eating grains. It may change everything. If you have a lot of arthritis, you may want to change your diet and stop eating grains, and then all of a sudden your arthritis may, actually lessen or go away. I've seen that with lots of people. And also, like I said, you can start that inflammation all over your body might just disappear. Gluten is kind of a monster now. We've increased gluten in our major grains by 300%, especially wheat. Not good. A lot of people go, how can I live without eating bread? Well, if you just look up grain-free bread recipes, there's a ton of them. And I've tried some, and they were actually very good. Some made with almond meal and what was the other thing? Also, I had yuca or tapioca, flour with it, and it was absolutely fantastic. There's a whole bunch of them, and I'm going through and checking them out just to see which ones I really like, and I'm still in that process now. But you can have bread. There's no doubt about that. And if you, are overweight and you want to drop 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 50 pounds, sometimes just giving up those grains can make that happen quickly. And I've seen that with other people. I'm not saying, this is for everyone. You may be a breadaholic and you're not going to give up no bread for anything, regular gluten bread. So that's fine. No big deal. As long as you get along with it, no big deal. But if you have challenges going on, this may make a whole change in your life. Also, there's a lot of pseudo grains like buckwheat, quinoa or quinoa, whatever you want to say it, amaranth, which has become very popular, a little pricey, quinoa, which is another grain, really tasty, really great. Also, corn in moderation, I think, is wonderful. We make corn tortillas quite often. Sorghum, which is amazing. It's really high in antioxidants. Also, wild rice and gluten-free millet, which is really fantastic. Also, your chia seeds and your flax seeds and your teff, T-E-F-F, are fantastic. I've talked about just about all of these in different videos, and they're really great. Also, the seeds are great. Like Job's tears, which is also called coax seeds in Chinese medicine, very good for healing the gut. Also, watermelon seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, just about all of the seeds are fantastic in moderation. I really think they're fantastic in general. Also, tapioca root or yucca root, one of my favorite things. It makes a great flour also, and it can be used in all kinds of things and actually lowers your blood sugar. Has a lot of fiber in it, And it's become a big thing now, and a lot of people recommend it, even in forks over knives, cooking, recipes. They use it a lot. I highly recommend yucca. It's one of my favorite things to eat. I put it in the pressure cooker. I can buy it here frozen. I don't have enough space to grow it. I did grow it for a little while, but it takes a little bit of space. And I buy it frozen and put it in the pressure cooker with lots of garlic. And I do it for an hour and a half in the pressure cooker on high, and it really comes out nice and soft and creamy. Excellent. Really fantastic. And of course, fruits, vegetables, grains. Fruits, vegetables, and beans are fantastic. Not the grains, but I'm talking about fruits, vegetables, and beans. And beans are absolutely important. If you look up beans and long life, you'll see a plethora of information that will help to keep you healthy. In all groups around the world that eat a lot of beans, a lot of them live to be over 100. So very important. Beans, beans, beans. I eat 30 ounces of beans every day. Fantastic. So there you go. Eating a grain-free diet might be for you, might not be for you, but check it out and see. If you're suffering, it may make a whole lot of difference in your life. So if you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. No reason to have some kind of disease process going on. It's really not good. He's just working with a man yesterday has seizures. We're going to make those hopefully stop in a great way. Also, working with a man right now with terrible diabetes who's dropped down his blood sugar like crazy. Also, all kinds of different things. And we can usually take what the doctor says can't be turned around and make it go away. 831-869-9119. Also, remember God and remember I love you. And one of my, clients asked me, why are people so mean and nasty sometimes? And I said, well, sometimes they have a lot of stuff from the past they haven't dealt with, or stuff in the present, or something that they have going on has never been, worked on in their family or whatever. And all we can really do is bless them and allow them to work on that. And then sometimes it takes years or even, I believe, other lifetimes. So bless them, let them go, and allow them to heal in their own time. I love you.